Imagine waking up to the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee or the earthy scent of a warm matcha latte. Both are energizing, both are delicious. But which one truly fuels your day better? Coffee lovers swear by its bold flavor and instant energy, while matcha enthusiasts praise its steady, crash-free boost. But the debate goes beyond caffeine. Brain health, digestion, stress, and even weight loss are all influenced by your choice. Are you making the right one? Stick around, because what you're about to discover might change your morning routine forever. Before you take another sip of coffee or matcha, watch this video until the end to discover more, because I will share which one gives better energy, focus, and health benefits, so don't miss out. Please make sure to subscribe to Aneya Healthy Living, and also hit that notification bell to stay tuned. Which one is truly better for your health? Without wasting time, let's move towards video. Energy boost. When it comes to energy, coffee is famous for its rapid caffeine kick. A single cup contains 95 milligrams of caffeine on average, quickly stimulating the nervous system and increasing alertness. However, this effect is often followed by a crash, leaving you feeling drained a few hours later. Coffee's caffeine is absorbed quickly, spiking energy levels but also triggering jitters, anxiety, and even sleep disturbances. Matcha, on the other hand, provides a more balanced and sustained energy boost. With about 30 to 70 milligrams of caffeine per serving, matcha's caffeine is released gradually, thanks to the amino acid L-theanine. This combination promotes calm alertness, reducing anxiety and preventing the energy crash commonly associated with coffee. If you need long-lasting energy without the roller coaster effect, matcha is the better option. Where are you watching us from? Drop your location in the comments below and let us know. Brain function. Both matcha and coffee enhance cognitive function, but they work in different ways. Coffee stimulates the release of dopamine and norepinephrine, improving mood, focus, and reaction time. However, excessive coffee consumption can increase stress hormone levels, leading to nervousness and difficulty concentrating. Matcha, thanks to its L-theanine content, promotes relaxed alertness. Studies show that L-theanine enhances alpha brainwaves, which are associated with creativity, focus, and relaxation. This means that matcha not only helps you stay sharp, but also keeps stress levels in check. If you need sharp focus without feeling wired, matcha is the winner. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video. Digestion and Gut Health. Coffee is known for its stomach-irritating properties. Its high acidity can trigger acid reflux, heartburn, and upset stomach in sensitive individuals. It also acts as a diuretic and mild laxative, which can lead to dehydration and digestive discomfort when consumed excessively. Some people experience increased bowel movements after drinking coffee due to its ability to stimulate gastric acid secretion and intestinal contractions. While this might be beneficial for those needing digestive stimulation, it can be problematic for those prone to IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, or gastritis. Matcha, in contrast, is gentler on the digestive system. It contains chlorophyll and antioxidants, which help detoxify the body and promote gut health. Additionally, matcha has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe digestion rather than aggravate it. Unlike coffee, which can disrupt gut microbiota, matcha's polyphenols support a healthy balance of gut bacteria, contributing to better digestion and improved nutrient absorption. If you have a sensitive stomach, matcha is the better choice for gut-friendly energy. Have you ever tried matcha before, or are you a coffee lover? Tell us in the comments. Antioxidant Power. Antioxidants are essential for protecting cells from damage, reducing inflammation, and slowing aging. Matcha is a powerhouse in this category, containing 137 times more antioxidants than regular green tea. It's packed with catechins, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin galate, which helps fight cancer, improve heart health, and boost metabolism. Coffee also contains antioxidants such as chlorogenic acid, which may help reduce inflammation and support brain health. However, matcha's superior antioxidant content makes it the better choice for overall health and anti-aging benefits. Stress and anxiety. Caffeine affects everyone differently, and its impact on stress levels and anxiety can be significant. Coffee's high caffeine content can increase cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, leading to heightened stress, restlessness, and even panic attacks in some individuals. Many coffee drinkers experience jitters, rapid heartbeat, and difficulty relaxing, especially if they consume multiple cups a day or drink coffee on an empty stomach. Over time, this can contribute to chronic stress, poor sleep, and mood swings. Matcha, in contrast, contains L-theanine, an amino acid that helps neutralize caffeine's negative effects. L-theanine promotes a state of calm alertness, reducing anxiety and improving focus without overstimulating the nervous system. This is why matcha drinkers often report feeling energized yet relaxed, rather than wired or jittery. Studies have shown that L-theanine can also lower blood pressure and heart rate, making it an excellent choice for those prone to anxiety or stress-related symptoms. If you're looking for a drink that boosts concentration without making you feel overwhelmed or anxious, matcha is the way to go. If you're enjoying this comparison, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Weight loss and metabolism. Both coffee and matcha can aid in weight loss and fat metabolism, but they work differently. Coffee boosts metabolism by increasing thermogenesis, the process by which your body generates heat and burns calories. Studies suggest that coffee may temporarily increase fat oxidation, but this effect is short-lived. Additionally, consuming too much coffee can lead to increased cravings, energy crashes, and blood sugar fluctuations, making it harder to maintain a consistent weight loss plan. Matcha, on the other hand, has been found to enhance fat burning by up to 17% due to its combination of caffeine and EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. Unlike coffee, matcha provides a steady energy release, helping to curb appetite, maintain blood sugar balance, and reduce cravings throughout the day. The antioxidants in matcha also support liver function, which plays a key role in fat metabolism and detoxification. If weight management is your goal, matcha offers a more sustainable approach to fat loss without the negative side effects of excessive coffee consumption. What's your go-to morning drink, coffee or matcha latte? Let us know in the comments. Which one should you choose? Both matcha lattes and coffee have their advantages, but the best choice depends on your health goals. For an instant energy boost, coffee is better. It delivers a quick jolt that's ideal for short bursts of activity. For sustained energy without crashes, matcha is the winner. Its slow-release caffeine ensures long-lasting focus and endurance. For digestive health and gut support, matcha is gentler. Unlike coffee, it soothes the stomach instead of irritating it. For antioxidant and anti-aging benefits, matcha is superior. Packed with powerful catechins, it helps protect against cellular damage. For reducing stress and anxiety, matcha is the clear choice. The L-theanine in matcha promotes calm focus without increasing cortisol levels. Now it's time to wrap up our discussion here. I think we discussed a lot about these energizing and enjoyable beverages. While coffee remains a beloved go-to drink for millions, matcha offers a unique balance of energy, focus, and health benefits without the drawbacks. If you haven't tried matcha yet, it might be time to give this powerhouse drink a shot. So, which one do you like to try? Coffee or matcha? No matter which you prefer, one thing is certain. Both drinks have their strengths. Now that you know the facts, the choice is in your hands. Try them out, experiment, and find what works best for your body and lifestyle. And don't forget, whether you sip on coffee or whisk up some matcha, making mindful choices about your health is what truly matters. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health insights and natural wellness tips. Stay energized and take care. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.